How to change message notification tone. This tutorial shows you how to customize your alert tone for incoming messages on the BOTIM app. First, open the BOTIM application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the main chat screen where you can view your conversations. Following that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, a menu will appear with various account and settings options. Moving forward, scroll down through the menu to find Notifications. Afterwards, tap on Notifications to access notification settings. In addition to that, you'll see different notification options for messages and calls. Once you're on the notifications page, look for Message Notification Sound or Alert Tone. Subsequently, tap on Message Notification Sound to view available sound options. Moreover, you'll see a list of preset notification tones to choose from. Afterwards, tap on any sound to preview how it will sound for incoming messages. Then, select your preferred notification tone from the list. Within this section, you can also choose a custom sound from your device if the option is available. Alternatively, tap on None if you want to disable notification sounds completely. Once you've selected your desired sound, tap on Save or Done to confirm. Then all incoming BOTIM messages will now use your newly selected notification sound. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you change message notification tone on BOTIM, give it a like, subscribe for more BOTIM tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.